Is your Orbi Ethernet causing you trouble? Orbi devices offer excellent network coverage and speeds, but Ethernet connectivity issues can occasionally arise. Understanding how to fix Orbi Ethernet can provide smoother and more reliable internet access across your devices. In this guide, we'll explore the steps to troubleshoot and resolve common Ethernet issues with your Orbi system, ensuring you can fully enjoy its capabilities. Step 1. Check physical connections. Before diving into more complex solutions, ensure that all the physical connections involved with your Orbi system are secure. Inspect Ethernet cables. Check for any visible damage on the Ethernet cable connecting your Orbi router or satellite. Look for frays, bends, or cuts that might affect performance. Try swapping out the cable with a new one to see if that resolves the issue. Verify port connection. Ensure that the Ethernet cables are securely plugged into the correct ports on both the Orbi router and the connected device. Sometimes a loose or improperly connected cable can cause connectivity. Step 2. Verify network configuration. Incorrect network settings can lead to problems with your Orbi Ethernet connection. Check IP address setting. On your connected device, ensure it is set to obtain an IP address automatically. Incorrect static IP configurations can hamper connectivity. Check DHCP setting. Access your Orbi router settings via the web interface. Verify that DHCP is enabled, allowing devices to obtain an IP address automatically from the router. Step 3. Update firmware. Running outdated firmware can impact the functionality of your Orbi system, including Ethernet performance. Access Orbi interface. Log into the Orbi web interface using your computer or mobile device. Navigate to the settings section and look for any available firmware updates. Install updates. If an update is available, follow the on-screen instructions to install it. Updates often contain bug fixes and performance improvements that could resolve your Ethernet issue. Step 4. Reboot and reset. Sometimes a simple reboot or reset can solve connectivity issues. Reboot devices. Power cycle your Orbi router and all connected devices. Unplug them from power, wait a few seconds, then plug them back in. Factory reset if needed. If issues persist, consider performing a factory reset on your Orbi router. This reverts all settings to default, effectively resolving severe configuration issues. Be sure to back up settings beforehand, as this will erase all configurations. Step 5. Contact support. If your Ethernet issue remains unresolved and you've exhausted all basic troubleshooting steps, reach out to customer support. Contact Orbi customer support for advanced troubleshooting assistance. They can offer tailored solutions or identify hardware. Consider warranty services. If hardware issues are suspected and your Orbi system is under warranty, explore options for repair or replace. Understanding how to fix Orbi Ethernet troubles ensures that your network operates seamlessly and consistently. By following these steps, from checking physical connections to updating firmware and beyond, you can address common issues and maintain excellent connectivity. Ensuring a reliable Ethernet connection allows you to maximize your Orbi system's performance, giving you robust and consistent internet throughout your home or office. Remember, when in doubt, professional support is always available to help resolve any continuing issues efficiently. Enjoy a hassle-free networking experience with your Orbi system.